National IMA has already issued an advisory for the people, the doctors, and to follow all the COVID protocol, which is given by the national government of India in view of rising COVIDs in, especially in China, then Brazil, Korea, Japan, USA. The numbers are rising very fast. So though we have been vaccinated, I request those who have not taken the booster dose, please take your booster dose as early as possible and follow all the COVID protocols. Wear mask wherever is needed. We have been already wearing, but still I think it needs to be increased now. Wearing masks, unless it's really required, don't go into the areas where there is too much of rush. Proper, distancing, social distancing, and wash your hands as and when possible. One who is coughing has to take more precautions because he should not spread to others. So all these precautions has to be taken, and I think IMA Goa State also will issue immediately in few days, because we have to issue to all our doctors to follow the norms which are given by the government. Central government and the norms आता कोविडाचे परत जे दिसता आपका वाटता म्हणून सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज इश्यूड सम नॉर्म्स. म्हणजे ते पयलींचे आमचे सगळे प्रोटोकॉल आहा तो फॉलो करपाचो. म्हणजे मास्क घालपाचे, हँड वॉशिंग करपाचे, डिस्टन्स दवरपाचे, चड गर्दी आहा थंय वचपाचे ना. दिस इज बिकॉज चायनान नंबर खूप वाडत आसा फास्ट. We are not getting how many are dying from that, but the number is rising fast. USA it is rising, Brazil it is rising, Korea, Japan, all these areas the number of COVID patients are rising very fast. We have done our vaccination very well compared to any other country, but still तांणी कोणे बुस्टर घेवना, तांणी सगळ्यांनी बुस्टर घेवपाचो आणि आपली काळजी स्वताची घेवपाची. यू हॅव टू वेअर अ मास्क, डोंट गो टू वेअर गर्दी आसा थंय वचूं नाका. मातशें हँड वॉशिंग करपाचें and take care of yourself and your friends and your family. Very important. आपली घेवपाची काळजी, आपल्या बरोबर बाकीच्यांची काळजी घेवपाची. अननेसेसरी सामकी गर्दी आहा थंय वचूं नाका. सामकी गरज आहा जाल्यारूच वचपाचें. आतां सगळ्यो जात्रा बित्रा चालू जातल्यो. आतां क्रिसमस येवपाचो आहा. प्लीज टेक केअर ऑफ yourself and your family.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.